how to make the snow look much whiter inside the DaVinci Resolve. So this clip on the timeline is straight from the camera, and in most of the time the snow is more gray than white, and in certain portions it is way too white, like somewhere here. Okay, to correct it, let's go here to the color wheels. Go to the third icon, which is the color wheels. I will use the scopes also, more exactly the parade, that can be opened with Ctrl Shift and W. Scopes is outside, Ctrl Shift W, scopes is inside here. Use this corrector also, make sure that rhombus is red, and make sure these red, green and blue go almost there to the top, so take in consideration the highest one, and adjust here at gain. That's on the first icon because we have multiple here. At the gain, adjust this one, the white. So not the lower one, but only this one. You can drag the number, that 100. And look at the red, green and blue going up. Okay, leave a little bit of gap there, don't overdo it. And the snow is much whiter. And that created a keyframe here, and it remembered that value, because in certain portions that will be too much. Here it is not enough, so I have to raise it up. There it is too much, it went out, and in this manner you can manually adjust your clip and make the snow white. Here it is way too white, there went all the way up, so I have to reduce it somewhere there. And by pressing this button, bypass color grades and fusion effects, you can see it before and after. Straight from the camera the snow was gray, and after the modification the snow got whiter, and it's clipping, so reduce it before and after. So that's one method on how to make the snow whiter in DaVinci Resolve.